Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today my mom is going to be making condensed toffee. Condensed toffee is one of my favorite Ghanaian candies. Guys, it tastes really good and I really like it. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. First you will melt some butter in the pan and then afterwards you will add some condensed milk and you will mix it all together. The brand of the condensed milk doesn't matter, you can use any type of condensed milk. So guys, after pouring in the condensed milk, start stirring immediately and make sure your fire is on low medium heat. Whilst that is going on, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all our amazing subscribers. Thank you so much and may God bless you. Guys, would you mind telling me where you're watching from in the comment section please? So here I am adding some nutmeg for a delicious flavor, and you have to keep stirring it until it's combined together. Guys, condensed toffee takes time and patience, so you have to keep an eye on it. Otherwise, it'll be lumpy and that's not what you're looking for. As you can see, it's all coming together, but you have to keep stirring it. At this stage, if you take it down, trust me, within 24 hours it will flop. So be patient if you want it to be chewy and strong. So keep stirring, but don't burn it. If you are watching the video till now and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe to our channel, please share the video to your loved ones, like and give us your comments. Thank you! And to our new subscribers and our returnees, thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. May God bless you. So at this point we are going to shape our condensed toffee. We are going to apply a bit of cooking oil on our surface, then we're going ahead and make the desired shape of the condensed toffee. But be careful, it's really hot at the moment, so let it sit for 2 minutes before you continue to shape the candy. Thank you so much for your time guys. I'm gonna give it to my mom, she'll take over from here.
Thank you so much, Kendra. Now I'm taking over from here. So at this point, I'm going to make the desired shape. It's really hot, so I let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, not too long, otherwise you cannot form it. Uh, Try your best to do it quickly as possible. So after this, then you are going to also cut it into your desired shape. Mepacho mpɛn pii mehu sɛ nkurɔfoɔ complain say ɔmo condensed toffee anaasɛ condensed candy no, it doesn't take long, within 24 hours na afloppy. Na mmom deɛ tie nie, sɛ wopɛ sɛ candy no take so long me recipe wey this recipe can take more than a month and it will stay the same and the same taste. Nothing will happen to the candy. All you gotta do is to let it brown on the fire a little bit, just as I did. Okay, so follow this step, just follow the recipe and condensed toffee and flop it. But if you take the condensed toffee out from the fire at the time and near white now, trust me, within 24 hours it's going to flop. A best time go back to as powder. It be fro. It's me pouch busia for and also no one shedding so. And we see and my brown is saying and a condensed toffee a day. Me many agye ho emofra me busia me nafofo me kwachi omubi omu nyina so ani agye ho enne sama no aba ewia ebo ukwadwuma uhia bibie be yintiti ne wo numa. All you got to do is to have some condensed toffee. Onya kakra bi na odi ahye odom abra wo ye adwuma wa ye board na odi ahye ho na wo re nkaka mokomoko ho e de na e de say mfacho am need too much why me da se bebre ho na emom se na wie nso so boyi e wo se ye no more water why ana wakai na mofra no so ba mo manom nso bebre me da se. Thank you all so much for watching the video till now, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, stay cool, stay calm, and stay blessed. Bye.